Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US July 2025 edition. Javed Ahmed Ghamdi's visit to Canada. In June 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi undertook a 5-day visit to Canada. He was accompanied by Mr. Mukarram Aziz, Chairman of the Board of Al-Mawrid America, Mr. Muhammad Hassan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at Ghamidi Center, and Mr. Syed Manzoor Ul Hassan, Editor of Islamic America. The visit was of a dawah nature and included meetings with diverse communities, legal experts, youth groups, and scholars. The visit was hosted by Al-Mawrid Canada, the Association of Muslims in Canada, and local supporters. Various events were organized in Javed Ahmed Ghamdi's honor, drawing large audiences who engaged in intellectual and theological dialogue with him. Ijtihad Series. As part of the ongoing video series addressing 23 objections, the Ghamidi Center launched a new topic titled Ijtihad. The sessions held in June 2025 explored key questions such as, what is Ijtihad? Why is it necessary? What are its conditions and limits? Has the door to Ijtihad been closed, or is it still viable today? These sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Quran Unlocked. The Ghamidi Center introduced a 2-week intensive online course titled Quran Unlocked, Intensive Summer Quranic Arabic Language Program, to promote Quranic literacy. The course will begin on July 21, 2025, running Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST. Conducted in English, it will be taught by Mr. Ahmed Shoaib. Aimed at those who seek to understand Quranic Arabic beyond recitation, the course encourages a deeper comprehension of Quranic meanings. Registration is available on the Ghamidi Center's website. The permissibility of beautification. In a recent article published in the June 2025 issue of Islamic America, Mr. Manzoor Ul Hassan explored the themes of human nature and aesthetic sensibilities in light of the Quran. He argued that the adornment of the body, clothing, voice, and environment is inherent to human nature and created by God for human benefit. The article emphasized that clothing, wholesome food, and other forms of beautification are lawful blessings of God. Islam, rather than advocating monasticism or ascetic denial of beauty, encourages the use of adornments within the bounds of moderation. The article is available for readers on the GCIL website in June issue of Islamic America, Urdu. Weekly lessons on the Quran and Hadith. In June 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi delivered live sessions on the Quran and Hadith under the auspices of the Ghamidi Center. Quranic lessons covered verses 129 to 135 of Surah Taha and verses 1 to 44 of Surah Al-Anbiya. The Hadith sessions focused on teachings contrary to faith and Islam, including warnings against disrespecting elders and lacking compassion for the young, the incompatibility of those who spread corruption with an Islamic state, and the exclusion of those who commit theft or highway robbery openly from the Muslim community. All recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Path to Fulfillment. A new series titled Path to Fulfillment was recently launched by the Ghamidi Center. Hosted by Mr. Farhan Saeed, Executive Director of the Ghamidi Center, the series features guest appearances by Dr. Ali Patafi. 4 episodes aired in June 2025. These sessions focused on the principles of inner peace and spiritual growth, highlighting the importance of rising above material desires and cultivating generosity. Discussions also included overcoming inner barriers such as ego, fear, and jealousy, and incorporating gratitude into daily life. All episodes are available on the Center's YouTube channel. The Political Role of Kufa, an Analytical Study. Dr. Irfan Shezad presented an online seminar titled The Political Role of Kufa, an Analytical Study, as part of the Voice of Research series. Key topics included the importance of historical study, the appropriate framework for studying history, understanding times of tribulation in light of Surah Al-Hujurat, the Prophet's guidance during fitna, and the need to study the internal conflicts of the Companions' era. These seminars are conducted via Zoom and are open to live participation and question and answer. Subah, a new youth training program. The Ghamidi Center has launched a new educational initiative titled Subah to support the religious development of children and youth. The program aims to foster meaningful learning, focused reading, and intellectual companionship. Youth participants, in small private study circles with peers, can explore religious ideas and practice under the guidance of experienced mentors. The minimum duration of the program is 3 months, and the curriculum is tailored to suit age-specific intellectual capacities. Registration is currently open through the Ghamidi Center's website. Ask Ghamidi. Ask Ghamidi is a monthly live question and answer session where the public may directly ask theological and moral questions. In June 2025, notable questions included: will religious leadership cause global destruction through nuclear weapons? Does God still communicate with humans today? Has Javed Ahmed Ghamidi compiled all weak hadiths in a single book? And what is the interpretation of Surah At-Tur, verse 21? These sessions are recorded and available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Sunday School Registration. The Ghamidi Center's Sunday School aims to instill basic Islamic values in students through the Quran and Sunnah. Operational for the past 9 years, the school is staffed by college and university students influenced by the vision of Al-Mawrid. It is managed by Mr. Farhan Saeed and Mr. Atif Sajid under the Educational Committee of Al-Mawrid America. Registration will open soon. Interested individuals may register via the following link: https://www.ghamidi.org/sunday-school. Ask Hassan Elias. Mr. Hassan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at the Ghamidi Center, has initiated a new question and answer series titled Ask Hassan Elias, in collaboration with the YouTube channel Muslim Today. Recent questions addressed included: is the hadith of Ammar mutawatir? What are the limits of dress for women in sports? Is everything prohibited also impure? And what are the causes and cures for obsessive religious thoughts? Recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Tafhim Al-Athar Series. The June 2025 sessions of the Tafhim Al-Athar series covered topics such as the nature and context of the incident of the paper, Waqi'a al-Qirtas, allusions in hadiths regarding succession, and the right of the Muhajirin to the Caliphate. These recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Online Spiritual Retreat, Konka. Recent sessions of the Ghamidi Center's ongoing online Konka discussed themes such as, what does the Creator want from man? Lying over trivial daily matters, distinguishing between humility and courage, developing a clear self-concept, and the courage to speak truth while preserving relationships. These sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Islam Study Circle. Dr. Shezad Salim hosts a monthly session titled Islam Study Circle. Each session explores religious, moral, and social themes through Quranic verses, hadiths, and biblical passages, followed by question and answer. Recent topics included: why is shirk unforgivable? Istikhara, and true friendship. The sessions are conducted in English and are available online. Hayati Amin. In the latest episode of Hayati Amin, Naeem Ahmed Baloch documented that although Maulana Islahi did not support participating in elections, he contested in the 1951 Lahore constituency in adherence to party discipline. During the 1953 Ahmadi controversy, Jamaat-e Islami played an intellectual role, and leaders including Maulana Maududi were arrested. Maududi was sentenced to death for sedition, a verdict later commuted to life imprisonment due to widespread protest. Faith and Beliefs, Meezan Lecture Series. Under the Meezan Lecture Series, Dr. Shezad Salim continued his English language lectures of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's book Meezan. In June 2025, he recorded 2 lectures on the topic of faith and beliefs. The recordings are available on YouTube. Ilmo-Hikmat, with Ghamidi. Ilmo-Hikmat, with Ghamidi is a popular weekly show on Dunya News Pakistan, recorded in Dallas and hosted by Mr. Hassan Elias. In June 2025, 4 episodes were recorded on the rise and fall of the Muslim Ummah and broadcast on Dunya News. The episodes are available on YouTube. Online private counseling sessions. Dr. Shezad Salim holds monthly private online counseling sessions. In June 2025, over 25 sessions were conducted, addressing personal and familial concerns, particularly those related to parenting and adolescent challenges. English summary of the 23 Objections series. Dr. Shezad Salim is summarizing the topics covered so far in the 23 Objections video series in English. In June 2025, he presented the second part of the summary on capital punishment. These are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Issuance of religious rulings. Al-Mawrid America regularly receives inquiries regarding the legal implications of Sharia, particularly in matters of marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other social and economic concerns. In June 2025, several fatwas were issued by Mr. Hassan Elias, grounded in the thought of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. English lectures of Al-Bayan. Dr. Shezad Salim has undertaken the English lectures of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Quranic commentary Al-Bayan to facilitate its understanding among English-speaking audiences. In June 2025, he taught verses 67 to 120 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. These sessions are available on YouTube.